Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, heated seats, power liftgate, power passenger seat, Bose sound system, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.